Less than 5. Looks like they're going to mix it up in the third turn a little bit, going through that double section. The cars going everywhere, everybody anxious to get back on the track. Try not to rip any Marshall's fingers off. Come on, guys. Stay off the throttle until the Marshall gets there. They're working on it. Jeremy can have a nice clean lap. So is George and Anthony. And 2 of them are going to bow out into double. That's going to leave George to the point.
What is he doing? Is he just standing there?
No, Jeremy's way out. George second, John Lloyd third, Chad Sutter fourth, Brian Dallas, Lonzo, Derek Yost, Seth, and Robbie. I'd appreciate it if there's a Marshall close to your car, let him put you back on the track. Don't try hopping the tube and all that. If there's a Marshall within a foot or 2, let him do it, please. So Jeremy, lead them around. Coming past the scoring tower now. George Coleman and Chad Sutter in front of the stand for that number 2 position, the second bump up. That is a battle heading down the straightaway. The almost Brian Kinlaw looking paint job. And the purple flame.
Okay. We're not touching
2 and 3 through the double. George gonna get a little wobbly. Chad looking inside. I'll take it. Settle down again, George. Regain your composure. Same for you, Chad. Take it easy. Jeremy coming in front of the stand. He'll be coming up behind that green car. Whoever it is going past the scoring tower down the straightaway. That is the leader coming up behind you. Okay, that would be Seth. Chad Sutter in second down the straightaway, stretching it out over George Coleman. They've broken away from 4th and 5th, John Lloyd and Brian Dallas. They got a little breathing room so they can race each other. Chad Sutter trying to pull away, gonna grab a tube. George right there now for that bump up position, making a clean double. Coming out onto the straightaway, second and third, 10 feet apart.
4 minutes left.
Leader through the double over the big air jump. Trying to maintain his composure. Second position, Answer coming up behind Seth. Thank you very much. George gonna have a little wobble over the big double. Give Chad Sutter a little bit of breathing room. 320 down, 340 to go. John Lloyd in 4th. See where he's at, going over the second double, I believe. Oh, that's Robbie. Okay, John Lloyd at the end of the straight. Right?
Fucking call your rap.
Silver with the yellow. Okay. Lonzo and John Lloyd battling out for 4th and 5th. The end of the straight. Brian Dallas in 6th and 7th.
3 minutes left.
With Robbie Matthews. Derek and Seth rounding it out. Jeremy, the end of the straight. 26.4 in the last lap. Chad Sutter, 26.5. George Coleman at 25.9. Fastest car on the track right now. He's the green, blue, and black coming through the double-doubles. When he gets there, that car with a broken wing. Marshall. Okay. Easy on the gas, guys. When the Marshall's there, lay off the throttle. Minutes and 18 seconds remaining. Jeremy, a sizable lead, 5.6 seconds. Chad Sutter in that number 2 position, 23.4. George Coleman in 3rd with 24.3. with the scoring power. Sutter breaking away from George a bit. He's got 5 seconds on him. About the same distance. He's back from Jeremy. Jeremy coming up behind Robbie. Thank you very much. Leader making his way through the double. Ends up after the double. Second position, Chad, the purple car. He'll be hitting Seth and Robbie next. George Coleman in third. All kinds of open track between him and Chad. John Lloyd in fourth with a 23-2.
Thank you.
Ryan Dallas in fifth with a 23-0. Robbie Matthews sixth, Seth seventh, and Derek rounding it out. Ends up in the 1 minute level. 1 minute to go.
Is that you behind me, Jeremy? Let's just play it on, alright?
I didn't see what happened. Sutter to the point. With 30 seconds remaining, 22-5. Man, turning the wick up. 23-4 for Jeremy. The leader's through the double-double now. Double. That gets confusing. John Lloyd in fourth, or George Coleman in third, John Lloyd fourth. The six-pack, okay. George and John battling it out. That's that double. That is for position. Robbie, you're done. As you're crossing the line, you're done. George going for it.